YouTube, I am back with another video, and today I am doing a POV drive in the HELLCAT Redeye Jailbreak. This is a 2023 last call. I pre-ordered this back in 2022 and I've had it for about a year now, year and a half. I guess I got it last December, I'd say. No, not last, was it last December? No, it may have been 2 Decembers ago. Yes, 2 Decembers ago. And yeah, this thing's got, 3,000 miles on it. But I have a lot of demons, and for some reason, this just is the Hellraiser out of all the Mopars. Like, this thing cannot stay on the road for nothing. Like, you can be going 60 miles an hour and you punch this thing and you're gonna fishtail. The back end's gonna kick out from underneath you. Like, you gotta respect this car, because it's just not safe. I don't know how to even explain it. If you've ever driven a Hellcat, you know what I mean. Maybe if you've driven a Hellcat, it's a little different, because this is not just a straight Hellcat. This is a, Redeye Jailbreak, the 807 horsepower, strongest Charger ever made. We have the Panda interior, so it's the white guts. Spec'd it exactly how we wanted, because it's a jailbreak. Blue brake calipers, Redeye wheels, silver badging, white car, carbon fiber stripes. This does have a mid muffler delete on it, but besides that, this car is completely stock. Maybe I'll get lucky today and someone will try and race me. Maybe, we'll see. About to get on the highway here in a second. A lot of people ask me, like, Bryce, what made you get into Hellcats and all this stuff, like demons and Mopars? And this is the truth. Like, if someone has a sports car, what are they comparing that sports car to? They never say a GT500. They never say a Corvette. They always want to compare their car to a Hellcat. So growing up, I heard Hellcat so frequently, like, you know what? Gotta have one of those, you know what I mean? So here we are. Thing is so fast, man. I've been sick for a few days, and I don't know what it is. I've been sick for probably 3 weeks. It's getting better, but I'm still not over it completely. I don't understand what's going on. I was watching the Falcons game, and they're playing the Panthers, and oh my gosh, the Falcons are horrific. I couldn't even watch them. I had to get up. I was, you know what? I'm gonna go make a video. So that's what I did. This car is so fast. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, dude. This car is so fast. Yeah, I'd say this car probably doesn't get quite as much attention as all the like the Demons and the Porsches, GT3 RS, GT3. This one just doesn't quite get as much looks, which that's probably because there's Hellcats everywhere. A lot of people don't realize that this is a red-eye jailbreak either. They think it's just a regular Hellcat, unless you're really paying attention, because red eyes have a red jewel in the eye of the badges. And but unless you really look for it, you just think this is a basic Hellcat, when really this is 100 more horsepower than a regular Hellcat. A Ferrari, Aston Martin. Okay, yep, you got it. Go ahead. Parallel parking. What? No way it's parallel park. No way he's parallel parking that. No shot. Yep, I'm getting out of here. Nope, 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 nope. You're letting me go, buddy. Go ahead. Oh, these kids right here. I think there's these kids that... Oh, these kids like Hellcats. I can just tell. Yep, there they go. They like that. Go, bro. There's a car behind this little bush. You'll notice the younger generation love Hellcats. Love them. And you know why? Because growing up, every car that they've heard of has been compared to a Hellcat. So that's all they hear. Hellcat this, Hellcat that. Hellcat, Hellcat is an iconic car. It just is. Drop in the comments what y'all think, what y'all like more. Do y'all like the Challengers or do y'all like the Chargers better? Personal opinion, I'm a Charger guy. The four-door is just... The fact that a four-door is making this much horsepower and is this fast, it's quite literally insane. Does anyone know of a drag strip in Atlanta or in around the Atlanta area that is, just kind of like a free-for-all, like you just come and go as you please and just do what you want? Not like something I gotta rent out and pay a ton of money for, but something I can just go and just rip. You know what I mean? Does anyone know? If so, message me or drop in the comments where, because I want to go have some fun. I want to create more content for y'all. And if y'all haven't watched my recent video on my Jeep, I posted at the beginning of this past week, go watch it. I think I've found a solution to the exhaust problem. Y'all stay tuned for that, because there will be a new exhaust on that Jeep at some point. Also, if you've followed me since the beginning, I got new wheels for my truck. It will take 6 to 8 weeks for them to be built, so A video in the future will be done on my truck getting new wheels. These aren't just your ordinary wheels, so y'all are gonna love them. Stay tuned. And I could have just launched it right there, but if I had launched it, I would have ended up in that little commercial property, so I just decided just to ease into it. What is this? LA on the hood of a little GT? That's cute. LA. That's going to do it for this video. I appreciate all of y'all for watching. Just wanted to give a little short and simple POV in the HELLCAT Redeye Jailbreak. If y'all like these, drop in the comments so I can continue doing them. And y'all tell me which car y'all want next. Like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see y'all in the next one.